Parasites sitting inside your bioenergy is delusion, giving up attitude. What can I do? That's all. This kind of extreme enlightenment, negative, anti-enlightenment attitude is the parasites sitting inside your bioenergy. Listen carefully, I will repeat. Delusion about life means knowing that you are wrong, you try to constantly believe the other person is wrong. The denial, life denial, delusion, life denial. Above all, giving up. Yes, this is the way it is. What can I do? I know it is right, but I don't know what to do. This is the parasite sitting inside your bioenergy. This parasite can destroy you lives after lives after lives and go round in the same rut. Totak, 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 totak. You will see same kind of father, mother, and end up with the same kind of attachment and problem, and land in the same kind of mess, and die, pick up next body with the same kind of type of parents, family situation, land in the same mess, and die, and the same rut will go on and on and on, stuck but not breaking out. Freeing you is the parasite sitting inside your bioenergy. Only one thing can detox you from all the parasites sitting in your bioenergy, living around the master. You need to see him constantly, how he behaves, how he lives, how his muscle memory is working, how his biomemory is working, how his bioenergy is working. Guru Seva is the only way the parasites in the bioenergy will be detoxed. Guru Seva is the most direct method of melting down all the parasites sitting inside your bioenergy. Nothing else can do it. Because bioenergy level means constantly your bioenergy need to be cleansed, detoxed, opened. Your bioenergy need to be opened, and Guru's initiation, Shaktipada, needs to be poured inside you. And you need to go on experiencing detox. You need to be detoxed continuously. Because the parasites sitting inside your bioenergy, you collected it for many janmas, multiple births you have collected. You won't get rid of it just like that in one day, 2 days. I can give you a methodology, alternative for the Guru Seva, because unfortunately, most of you can't live around me, at least as on now. Have the Atma Murti, live with it whole day. When you wake up, Atma Murti. When you brush the teeth, brush him. After your bath, give him bath. Before you eat, give him food. Before you go to bed, put him to bed. Living with him can detox. All the parasites sitting in your bioenergy. You can get rid of all those parasites. Detox your bioenergy through living with Atma Murti. Atma Murti is your personal deity of Guru, your personal intimate version of Guru in the form of deity. Live with the deity. That can be a substitute as on now till you get the opportunity to live with Guru.